Hello everyone, today I am going to check out Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker. I bought this from Amazon on deal price. This one is 5.7 liter capacity. Let's unbox this one. You can see some warnings, and inside the box we got one cooking pot, multi-purpose tin, loaf tin, multi-purpose silicone with line, silicone mitts and roasting rack insert. Let's see. It looks quite big, nicely wrapping. This one is the back side. And here is the Ninja logo and operating board, or we can say cockpit is here. Here is some options. Here is the power button, start stop, and we can set time, temperature with these buttons. And there is some options like Speedi meals, steam air fry, steam bake, steam grill, air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, Zia and slow cook. So we are gonna open this one. Let's see what we got inside. Here we got one recipe book for different items. And we got one manual book. This one is a cooking pot, but other accessories is not included. We saw in the box in the beginning. So that's all we got. We have to unslide these four corners to use this one. So we got two layers. The down we can put our main meals, and top for making fries. We can see here is a grill. And we got something else in this button. We can see in the right side it is included air fry, rapid cooking. So for rapid cooking we have to slide this one up. And for frying we can do this for normal air fryer. That's all. Thank you for watching, and I will try to make another video how to cook inside. Thank you.